How to make your own herbal tea blends. Creating your own herbal tea blends is a wonderful way to customize flavors, enjoy health benefits, and experiment with a variety of herbs, spices, and botanicals. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make your own herbal tea blends. **1. Gather your ingredients, dried herbs and botanicals. Collect a variety of dried herbs, flowers, roots, and fruits. Common options include chamomile, peppermint, lavender, rose petals, ginger, and hibiscus. Optional add-ins: consider incorporating spices like cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, or dried citrus peels for extra flavor. Sweeteners, if desired, have natural sweeteners like honey, agave nectar, or stevia on hand. **2. Understand flavor profiles. Balancing flavors. Different herbs and botanicals offer unique flavors, ranging from earthy to floral to spicy. Experiment to find combinations that harmonize well together. Aromatic notes. Consider the aroma of each herb. Some, like lavender or mint, provide strong scents that can enhance the overall experience. **3. Mixing and matching. Start with a base herb. Choose a base herb that forms the foundation of your blend. This can be something like green tea, chamomile, or rooibos. Add complementary herbs. Layer in complementary herbs and botanicals that enhance the flavor profile. For example, peppermint and lemongrass can add freshness to a blend. Experiment, be creative and adventurous in your combinations. Don't be afraid to try unexpected pairings to discover new and exciting flavors. *4. Consider health benefits. Research herbal properties. Familiarize yourself with the health benefits associated with different herbs. For example, chamomile is known for its calming properties, while ginger is praised for digestion. Blend for wellness. Create blends that target specific health goals. For instance, a blend of ginger, turmeric, and lemon can be soothing for digestion and boost immunity. *5. Properly store ingredients. Airtight containers. Store your dried herbs in airtight containers in a cool, dark place to preserve their flavor and potency. Labeling. Clearly label each ingredient, noting its name, source, and any specific properties or flavors it imparts. *6. Experiment with ratios. Start small. Begin with small batches to experiment with ratios. This allows you to adjust flavors until you find the perfect combination. Keep notes. Document the quantities of each ingredient you use and how the blend turns out. This way, you can replicate successful blends in the future. *7. Blending techniques. Loose leaf blends. Mix your dried herbs together in a bowl, ensuring an even distribution of each ingredient. Tea bags or infusers, if you prefer. Place your blend in tea bags or infusers for convenient steeping. Mortar and pestle for some ingredients, like whole spices. Using a mortar and pestle to crush them slightly can enhance flavor extraction during steeping. *8. Steeping instructions. Water temperature. Different herbs require different water temperatures for optimal flavor extraction. For example, green tea requires cooler water than black tea. Steeping time. Pay attention to the recommended steeping times for each ingredient. Some herbs, like delicate flowers, may become bitter if steeped too long. *9. Taste and adjust. Try your blend. Once steeped, taste your herbal tea blend. Take notes on flavor, aroma, and any adjustments you'd like to make for future batches. Adjust as needed. If you find the blend too strong or too weak, you can tweak the ratios of the ingredients in your next batch. *10. Enjoy and share. Savor the experience. Take time to enjoy your custom herbal tea blends. Notice the flavors, aromas, and how they make you feel. Share with others. Consider sharing your creations with friends and family. Homemade herbal tea blends make thoughtful and personalized gifts. *11. Safety precautions. Research. Before using any unfamiliar herbs, research their potential interactions with medications or any contraindications for certain health conditions. Consult a professional if you have any health concerns or are pregnant. Consult a healthcare professional before incorporating new herbs into your diet. By following these steps, you can create your own unique herbal tea blends tailored to your tastes and health needs. The process of blending and brewing your own teas can be a satisfying and enjoyable hobby, providing you with delicious and healthful beverages to savor and share.